My name is Aaron Fransua. I'm the managing attorney here. I also am the founder of this law firm. I started this firm with the vision of helping local entrepreneurs and communities make sure that their families and their businesses are protected. So I started this firm 5 years ago, shortly after graduating law school. And my journey to estate planning and really to the legal world altogether started back in 2011. I lost my mother suddenly. It was not a planned death, it was an unexpected death. And my mom was like 65% of Americans in that she didn't have any estate plan documents whatsoever. I was 23 years old. My younger sister, she was 17 years old and she was 3 days away from her high school graduation. With my mom not having any estate plan documents in place whatsoever, it created a lot of problems for my family. Immediately right off the bat, I had issues with getting my sister health insurance, getting her registered for college, doing the FAFSA. I could take her to the hospital and they would treat her, but I couldn't necessarily find out what was going on because I wasn't her legal guardian. It was just 6 months of battles after my mom passed away, in large part because I didn't have the legal documentation I needed to be able to do what I needed to do to protect my family. I started up a nonprofit. I got pretty active in the community and eventually made my way to law school. And when I went to law school, I was able to work for big firms, which is great pay, great experience, but not necessarily the best experience for clients because generally when you're working for big firms, you bill in 6-minute increments. And clients, even if they call with just a quick question, are gonna be billed for 6 minutes at a time, even if I'm only spending a few seconds or a few minutes on the phone with them. I'm originally from Colorado. Got tired of being cold all the time, and I remember vividly when I was scraping ice off of the windshield, telling myself, when I graduate, I'm gonna go somewhere warm, which brought me here to Arizona. I didn't know anyone out here, so I figured this is the perfect opportunity for me to start my firm and do things the way that I think law should be practiced that's really effective for families in the community.